Hello guys, this is Lei. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 quick and simple DIY ideas for wall decor. If you're interested, please keep watching. Let's get started. For the first idea, we're going to use the Dollar Tree large serving plate. As you can see in the video, this plate has some pattern on the back, but for the front, it is pretty smooth. The diameter of this plate is 14 inches. It is pretty large. The second item for this idea is the Dollar Tree 7 inches mirror. As you can see in the video, the frame of this mirror has some depth and the back is open, so you can easily attach a LED light on the back. Since I wanted to spray paint the frame into gold color, so I used the tape to wrap the mirror for protection before that. For spray painting the plate, I used the burnished amber color. It is a very beautiful color to me. The pattern also gives you a rustic and classic taste. I really like it. The next step is to attach the LED light on the back. I used the daylight white color, but you definitely can consider warm white. I think it's going to be very beautiful too. Next, I want to show you how I use those little wood blocks from Dollar Tree to make the mirror float in the air so the LED light can get out. It's pretty easy. I just wanted to mention you probably want to position those wood blocks in the middle and use strong adhesive to glue them together. For mounting on the wall, I used the heavy-duty double-sided tape. You definitely can consider other options since it is pretty light. Now let's check out the first design. This is how the wall decor looks when the LED light is off. And this is how they look when the LED light is on. They look very beautiful to me. I love it. You can also design your own pattern. This is the second pattern I tried. They look very nice as well. If you are new to my channel, it's very nice to have you here. If you also like my video, please don't forget to subscribe. This way you won't miss any video in the future. Now let's check out the second idea. For this project, we're going to use a large serving bowl from Dollar Tree. As you can see in the video, this bowl has some beautiful pattern on the side. I really like that. The diameter of this bowl is 13 inches. For this design, I used 3 of them. Then I spray painted those bowls into gold color. Now you actually can see those patterns are more obvious. I also attached a 7 inches mirror in the middle of the bowl. And it's all done for the second design. Now let's check out how it looks. It's a beautiful 3D wall decor set. and also super easy to make it. I love it. I also want to show you a similar DIY project I did a couple months ago, in case some of you haven't got a chance to watch it. For that project, I used Dollar Tree plate charger and the Dollar Tree decoration mirror. Then I designed a pattern which fit into my stairway wall very well. This is how the project looks. And I got a lot of compliments on that. Now let's jump into the third DIY idea. For this idea, we're going to use a large ice bucket. This is an old one we already used for many years. I decided to make it into a wall decor. The diameter for the top opening is 20 inches. I first spray painted the bucket into gold color, and then used the little craft mirror to cover the opening on the side. You can also consider other options, for example, using silver strips. To me, I just like the little glamour effect coming from the mirror and the gold color. As you can see in the video, I used the mirror on both sides. And this is how the bucket looks after attaching those mirrors. In the middle of the bucket, I used a 12 inches glass mirror. Please make sure you want to use a strong adhesive to glue it on the bucket. Now let's check out how the third DIY idea turned out. Wow, it's very unique and elegant. If you have a big entrance or hallway, you can do a couple of them. They're gonna look magnificent. These are the 3 DIY projects I want to show you guys today. Feel free to let me know your thoughts on those DIY projects. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your support. Stay well and see you next time.